Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 81, Constructions, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Which of the following steps is incorrect to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 5 cm at a point P on it without using the center of the circle? See this, there is a circle and we have to draw a tangent at point P. That is the requirement. So our first steps are like this. First take point P, then draw a chord PQ, then take any point R on the major arc, not on the minor arc. Okay. Then join PR and RQ. Draw PT such that angle QPT is equal to QRP. Then this PT is the required tangent. Now let's look at what is given in the problem. Here, circle of radius 5, okay, P on it, okay, any chord P, okay, take point R on minor arc. Now that is wrong. Step 4 is wrong. Okay, remaining all steps okay. So just 4 is wrong. So answer is B, this. Okay, let's move on. Next, arrange the following steps of construction while dividing a line segment of length 8 cm in the ratio internally in the ratio 3:4. Next, arrange the following steps of construction while dividing a line segment of length 8 cm internally in the ratio 3:4. Okay. See here, these basic steps of dividing this segment we have learned in our earlier standards. Quite easy. What you do is divide 8 cm. Then next step is take any acute angle. Now important is the total length of this should be 7. Why 7? Because the ratio we want is 3:4, means 4 plus 3 is 7. That's why 7. Whatever is the total of this, you take that length. Then divide this into 7 equal parts of 1 cm each. Then take similar ray on the other side of same 7 cm. Same angle, the acute angle should be the same, right? Next, join the third point from below for both, and then you get is 3 is the ratio of this and 4 is the ratio of this side. So you got it. So here obviously the first step will be take a line segment AB of length 8, right? So step 3. Whichever has all have step 3, so all are possible now. Next, we have to draw an acute angle from A. So draw any ray AX making an acute angle BAX, right? This BAX, you name it X over here. So step 5 is the next. So which gone? B and C gone. Only A and D remain. So 3, 4. Now 1 is common to both. So it will be definitely correct. Okay. So what is 1? Draw BY parallel to AX by making ABY that same which we told. See this, draw this BY parallel and divide it into the same segments. Now next is either second or fourth. Now second can't be there because join A3 B4, but we have not drawn A3 B4 at all. So fourth is what? Mark 3 points A1 A2 A3. Yeah, that is okay. Means we are drawing these A1, A2, A3 on AX and similarly B1, B2, B3, B4 on BY such that we'll cut that. We'll join all these. These sides are lengths are equal and then we'll join them in step number 2, last step. Okay. So the correct sequence is now then fourth. Now which is the fourth one? This. Third, fifth, first, fourth and second. This is the correct sequence. Next. Let ABC be a right triangle in which AB equals to 3, BC equals to 4 and B equals to 90. BD is perpendicular from B to AC. Okay. The circle through BCD is drawn. Given below are the steps of constructions of pair of tangents from A to this circle. Which of the following is incorrect? Look at the question first. A, B, C. This is 3, this is 4 and B is 90. Then BD is perpendicular to AC. Now we draw a circle through B, D and C. Now we have to draw tangents from A to this circle. So that is the question. So step number 1, draw ABC triangle and means right angle at B and perpendicular BD from B to AC. So that's the first step. See, this is the first step, ABC triangle, then perpendicular BD to AC. Draw a circle with BC as a diameter. This circle will pass through D. See this, BC as a diameter and it will pass through D. Next, let O be the midpoint of BC. Join AO. See this, O is the midpoint of BC. BC is the diameter, so it's the midpoint of the circle. So join AO. We have joined that. Next, draw a circle with AO as a diameter. The circle cuts the circle drawn in step 2 at B and P. So AO, AP and AB are the desired tangents from A to the circle passing through B, C and D. See, new circle we have drawn. Now this circle cuts the original black circle at point B and some say P over here. So now AO, AP and AB are the desired tangents. So are they? Let's see. See this AO. Is this AO a tangent? No, it's not a tangent. AB is a tangent, AP is a tangent. That's okay. But AO is not a tangent. That's why last step is wrong. It should be only AP and AB. So the AO is wrong. Okay. Next, arrange the following steps of constructions while constructing a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 3 cm from a point 10 cm away from the center of the circle. First, understand what have we to do. This is a circle of 3, then 10 cm away one point, and we have to draw tangents from this point to the circle. So first step will be what? First draw the circle, then this segment, and then the tangents, right? Let's check. First draw the circle, step 3 of radius 3. So 3, 3, 3, 3, everyone. Okay, all are there. Second, we have to draw the segment. See this, fifth. Take an external point P which is 10 cm away from its center. Join OP. So this is second step. So 3, 5. Where do I have A and D? 3, 5. Okay. Then first and second it's given. So then what? First is what? Bisect the line segment OP and let the point of bisection be M. And what is second here? A gives 1 as a third step and D gives 2 as a third step. Taking point M as center. See here, can you get this step 2 as a third step? No. Why? Because taking point M up to the step number 5, we have not drawn anywhere M. So how will you get M? So that's why step 1 will be required, right? So step 1 is the correct option then. Then A is the correct option. It means the steps are 3, 5, 1, 2 and 4. Leave it in the exam, this much only. Don't go for further steps, okay? Problem is over here. So here basically what we have to do, after we draw this OP, bisect it. Bisect it using this compass, 2 arcs and all that system, okay? Bisect it. Once you bisect it, then draw a circle. This will touch P and O both, and it will cut this circle at these 2 points. Now draw an tangents from this P to these cut points over here, and these are the tangents. That's the basic step. So logic is first circle, then 10 centimeters or 12, whatever is given. Then bisect this segment, draw the circle, it will cut and join these 2 points. Okay, that's the answer. So A is the correct answer. Next, arrange the following steps of construction while constructing a pair of tangents to a circle which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees to the circle of radius 3 centimeters. So what have we to do? See, there is a circle of 3 centimeter. We have to take some point outside and draw tangents so that the angle between the two tangents is 60 degrees. That's what our target is. So first will we draw the circle, then what? Take some point outside, right? So let's start. Draw a circle with center O and radius 3. 3 is correct option. Okay, 3 is there, 3 is there. So only A and B, right? C and D gone because they don't have 3 as a first step. So now what next? Either 1 or 2. Let's see. What is 1? Draw any diameter AOB of this circle. And 2 is what? Draw AM perpendicular to AB. Now do you have any point M over here? What was the first step? O and radius. Did we write any M over here? No. So step 2 can't be the second step. Step 1 will be the second step and step 2 will be the third step, because first we have to find AB and then AM will be there. So 3 1 2, 3 1, not even 2, see this, 3 1 and then fourth, construct BOC 60 degrees such that radius OC meets circle at C. So fourth and then 2. So A is the correct option. See here, the trick is in first two only. Remaining it's okay. In exam you don't waste your time in remaining things, okay, once you get the trick. So the correct option is A. Don't go for anything further, and if you want you can try it. You'll definitely get this circle and tangents. Okay, download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.